Hello viewers, let's remove 4-digit pin from window 11 which appear with every restart of the Windows. So first click the Windows sign or press Windows button plus I from your keyboard and then go to settings. In settings, click accounts and now another interface appears, so click sign in option and now click pin Windows hello. Now this type of interface appears. Click the remove button, but in case if it's gray or locked, go for next step and again click accounts and in accounts. Now let's click sign in options and additional options of this button. Now restart your computer. If pen is off, it's fine. Otherwise, we will go for step 3. So in my case, I go for step 3 because it didn't work. So let me once again click Windows button. Again go to settings and in setting click accounts. And now let's click your info. Open it. And then simply click once again accounts, manage my account. This appears, so click skip this step, click it. After clicking this, now click next. And when you click next, it will ask for your 4-digit PIN. So write your PIN and then next. Now let's go ahead to finalize it. Now leave all the password boxes empty and click next till finish. Restart your PC and PIN is gone. Thanks for watching.